Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, so please get subscribed and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update from my channel and for the upcoming tutorial. So let's get started. In the last video, we studied about the input and print function. If you have not seen that video yet, please have a look on it and practice and then come to this video. In today's video, we are going to study about if and else statement. What exactly if and else statement in Python? Let's see. Very first, I will open Ideally. What exactly is Ideally? It's an integrated development learning environment. It is a editor for Python programming. If you don't know about detail, I will provide a link in the description. So you can go to that video and check how to install Ideally in your system. And then you can come back to this video. I'll click on file. I will say new file. All right. So let's get started. So in today's session, we are going to study about if and else statement. What exactly is if and else statement? It's a conditional statement. So what is conditional statement? For example, let's say if you are going for shopping, then I will be at home only and will clean everything, or else I will also come with you. So you can see there are two conditions. If you are going for shopping, then I will be at home only and will clean everything, or else I will also come with you, right? So there are two conditions. In this way, you can make a condition in Python. This was just an example. Let's see how to make a condition by a program. I will just delete. I hope you got the definition. I will take the input from the user. If you don't know how to take the input from the user, go and check the last video where we have learned about input and print function and then come back to this video again. I'm taking a string input, str, string input, enter your username, colon. So I have taken an input. Then I will give the if statement. If my username is equal to Rahul, if my username is equal to Rahul, then colon. Why I am giving this colon? So there is a thing called syntax in a programming language. Basically, that is nothing but the rule which you have to follow while you write your code. So the rule or the syntax for if and else is if, then your test condition, then colon. This colon you have to follow every time. And then you have to come to next line. By default, it will give you the space. That space is called as indentation. I will tell you what indentation is. And after that, you will give your statement. Yeah. So let's see how to implement the syntax in your program. So if my username is equal to Rahul, then I'm going to print done. I'm going to print done. Yeah. Or again, I will come to the next line. I will press backspace and then I will give else. And then I will say print undone. Yeah. Now, if you can see here, there is a space here and here. So basically, this space is used to differentiate the body of your if statement and else statement. It means that this if belongs to this print statement and this else belongs to this print statement. Yeah. If you will remove this, if I remove this print and if I remove this colon, if I press enter and if I will give the print statement here, for example, by default, it will come here. And if I will run the program, let's say run it. And every time I told that make a nice folder of your programs, give a nice name, give if underscore else. So in future, you will have a nice collection of programs. You can see there is an invalid syntax. Yes, I told you what is syntax. Basically, that's a rule which you have done wrong because I have not given a colon in my program. So that's why the reason is if you give colon and press enter, so exactly here should your print statement should be. So I will just cut it and I will press enter and I will say this. Yeah. So this rule you have to follow, right? Now you will be wondering like why I have written Rahul in double quote. The reason I have said string, because string always in double quote or single quote, right? If you have said that input integer, if int, then it should not be Rahul, because Rahul is a string and string cannot be a integer value. Then you have to give 1, 2, 3 something, right? Okay, but string I am taking because you can, you can have a collection of a username, like for example, in string you can have Rahul 1111, right? So this you can have in only your string. You cannot have this kind of username using integer. So that's why always whenever you are taking input, so keep it as string only. Yeah, so if username is equal to Rahul 11, so print done, otherwise print undone. Now it's correct. Now I'll press Control F5, shortcut key to run your code. Press enter. Okay, let's give the name Rahul 1. Okay, it's saying undone. Why? Because in my program, what should be, what is the condition is? Condition is if username is equal to what? Rahul 11. But I said only one, right? One time one. It should be 2 time 1, right? So I will, what I'll do, I'll run it again. I'll run it what again? So I will say Rahul 11. I will press enter and yes, it's done. Okay, this is how it works. Now, what is this equal to? So very first, for example, if I say a is equals to 1, so a is equals to b. It means that I am assigning the value of a to b. Now my b becomes also 1. But if I said a is equal to 1, it means that I am checking whether a is 1 or not, right? I am checking. So this is a operator which is used to check. What are all the operators? We'll see that also in a special session. For now, just have equal to, which is used to check the condition whether you entered this or not, right? So if username is equal to Rahul11, then say print done, otherwise print undone. So this is how you will do the if and else statement. I hope you understood. In the next session, we are going to learn about elif statement in detail with some example. Do not miss any video. Keep a track of everything. Practice each and everything, and have a flow of whatever you are doing. Maintain notes, and as I promised always, that you are going to be a master of Python programming once we finish with this whole course. Right now we are at level 1. So yeah, let's meet you in the next video with elif statement. Bye guys, take care.